Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Vocabulary Lesson 2. Most common words in Urdu. सबसे आम अल्फाज जो उर्दू में इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं वो ये हैं. Let's see. Breakfast. How can we say in Urdu breakfast? We never say breakfast, we say nashta. 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 Okay. If you don't, if you, it's really hard for you, so you can say breakfast because mostly people nowadays using breakfast instead of nashta, because I have been hearing from many people they are using breakfast, they are not saying nashta, because we always use in our family, uh, nashta kahan hai, where is the breakfast, so we never say breakfast kahan hai, we say nashta kahan hai, it means where is the breakfast. So how can we pronounce nashta? Nashta. Nashta. Breakfast. Nashta. Breakfast. Nashta. Breakfast. Nashta. I'm not going to teach you English, I'm going to teach you Urdu, okay? So nashta, okay? Second one, lunch. Lunch. There are two ways to say lunch in Urdu. दो तरीके हैं लंच उर्दू में बोलने के लिए. Two ways to say lunch in Urdu. दोपहर का खाना. दोपहर. दोपहर. दोपहर का खाना. दोपहर का खाना. दोपहर का खाना. दोपहर का खाना. दोपहर. दोपहर. पहर. पहर. दोपहर का खाना. दोपहर का खाना, it means lunch. Also you can say like this, sepahar ka khana. Sepahar ka khana. If you remember good evening, good afternoon, so you can pronounce this one easily. Dopahar ka khana. Sepahar ka khana. But we do not say this one, we say this one. Okay, we always say dopahar ka khana. Dopahar ka khana. But now new generation use lunch in Urdu, so we don't use, but new generation has been using lunch. I'm also in new generation because I'm 30 years old. So but I don't use lunch because I love my language. दोपहर का खाना. दोपहर का खाना. Lunch. First one, breakfast, नाश्ता. Second one, lunch, दोपहर का खाना. दोपहर का खाना. Third one, dinner. Dinner. How can we say dinner in Urdu? रात का खाना. रात का खाना. रात का खाना. Khana mean eat. By the way, let me tell you, eat mean khana. Khana. It means eat. But also we use in dinner and lunch. Dopahar ka khana, dinner. Raat ka khana, it means eat in the night. And lunch, eat in the afternoon, at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. So dinner, raat ka khana. Let me repeat again. Breakfast, nashta. Lunch, दोपहर का खाना. Dinner, रात का खाना. If you are going to pronounce after me, so listen carefully. First listen again and again, again and again. It will automatically in your mind, and it will comes automatically in your mind, and you will pronounce without any hesitation, but it will take time. If you think you are in just 15 minutes you can pronounce this, it is not possible for foreigners. It is possible for Asian because they know, they have been hearing this word, they have been listening this word for since childhood, so they cannot they are not hesitating, they will not get stuck in the pronunciation, but you will get stuck in pronunciation. Okay, so dinner, रात का खाना. Tea break, tea break. How can we say tea break in Urdu? चाय का वक्फा. Tea mean chai, tea mean chai. Break mean वक्फा, वक्फा. Tea break, चाय का वक्फा, चाय का वक्फा. Tea break, चाय का वक्फा, चाय, chai, chai. It's not Chinese word, it's Urdu. Okay, chai, chai ka waqfa, chai ka waqfa, 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 chai ka waqfa, chai ka waqfa, chai ka waqfa. Listen carefully. Chai ka waqfa, tea break. And the most common word we always use in Urdu, sometime our children say this line, I want, I want. They point out the things and they say I want. वो इशारा करते हैं और बोलते हैं मुझे चाहिए. I want mean मुझे चाहिए, मुझे चाहिए, मुझे चाहिए. I want, मुझे चाहिए. It means I wanna. Okay. In American I think it's I wanna, and in British it's I want. Okay. So मुझे चाहिए, मुझे चाहिए. How can we say मुझे चाहिए? Not चाय. It's चाहिए, 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 चाहिए. मुझे चाहिए. I want, मुझे चाहिए. I want, मुझे चाहिए. I want, मुझे चाहिए. Next one. This is most common. Bring one more. Bring one more. Wow, bring one more. It's tasty. Bring one more. एक और लाओ. It's एक. Do you remember एक? One. Do you remember Urdu counting? It's एक. Or lao. Or means and or mean more. Okay. एक और lao. Bring one more. One mean एक, or more, lao, bring. Bring one more. एक और lao. एक और lao, lao, lao. एक और lao. एक और lao. Bring one more. एक और lao. Bring one more. एक और lao. Next, meat. 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 How can we say in Urdu meat? Gosht. 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 What do you want? I want meat. मुझे गोश्त चाहिए. I'll use this one. मुझे गोश्त चाहिए. Gosht. What is the pronunciation of meat in Urdu? Gosht. 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 Do you remember? How can we say meat? Gosht. Okay. Say chicken. Chicken. How can we say chicken in Urdu? Murgi. Murgi. Ghi. Murgi. 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 Some people say murgi. Some people say murgi. So don't confuse. Okay. Don't be confused. Murgi. मुर्गी, यार मुर्गी लाओ, मुर्गी, 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 chicken. Okay, मुर्गी mean chicken. And the last one, fish. Fish, how can we say fish in Urdu? Machli, 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 machli. One more time I'm going to read for you. Breakfast, नाश्ता, lunch, दोपहर का खाना, dinner, रात का खाना, टी ब्रेक, चाय का वक्फा, आई वॉन्ट, मुझे चाहिए, ब्रिंग वन मोर, एक और लाओ, मीट, गोश्त, चिकन, मुर्गी, फिश, मछली. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू गोल्डन वर्ड्स. हमारा वक्त शुरू होता है गोल्डन वर्ड्स का. अ पेपर फ्लाइंग इन द एयर, oh sorry, a paper flying in air is due to its luck, but a bird is flying due to its efforts. So if luck is not with you, efforts are always there to support you. A paper flying in air is due to its luck. जो कागज़ होता है वो उड़ रहा होता है अपनी किस्मत की वजह से. A paper flying in air is due to its luck. जो कागज़ है वो उड़ रहा होता है अपनी किस्मत से, कि हवा चली और किस्मत में हवा चली और वो उड़ गया. बट लेकिन a bird is flying, लेकिन एक जो परिंदा है वो उड़ रहा है due to its effort. एक जो परिंदा उड़ रहा है वो अपनी जद्दोजहद की वजह से उड़ रहा है. सो इफ लक इज नॉट विद यू, अगर किस्मत तुम्हारे साथ नहीं है, एफर्ट्स आर ऑलवेज देयर टू सपोर्ट यू, तो जद्दोजहद हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ ताउन करेगी कामयाब होने में. उम्मीद करता हूँ ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी. आई होप यू enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please do not forget to share this video with your friends. अपने दोस्तों के साथ ये वीडियो शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. अस्सलामु अलैकुम.